Hello friends, today we are making quick vegetable pasta recipe. So here we go for the ingredients. Take 1 teaspoon of soya sauce, 3 tablespoons of pasta sauce, half teaspoon of red chili flakes, salt to taste, pinch of black pepper, 1 teaspoon of garlic powder, 1 teaspoon of mustard paste. Chop 1 onion, 1 capsicum, 1 carrot, 1 tomato, 2 to 3 green chilies, 3 to 4 pressed garlic cloves. Boil 2 cups of pasta. In a pan, heat 1 tablespoon of oil, add onion and green chilies and pressed garlic cloves and saute it for few minutes until become translucent. Add the tomatoes and cook for 2 to 3 minutes. Then add the spices and mustard paste and mix well. Saute it for a few moments. Until become a smooth paste. Then add the vegetable except spring onion. Mix well. Then add the soya sauce and mix it. Add the pasta and pasta sauce. Mix it well. Cook for 2 to 3 minutes. Then in the end, sprinkle spring onion and mix it. So here we go. Our quick vegetable pasta is ready to serve. Bye.